Lake Lugano, that was very interesting because I get this opportunity to go out on the lake and do a wine tasting on the lake, which was a great sort of melding of experiences. Because the first thing you do is you get on the boat and you slip out onto the lake. The lake was beautiful that day, it was calm. And then you have the granddaughter of the founder of a winery step up, who was incredibly passionate about wine and her family and the areas that they have their vineyards. And it was just wonderful to sit there and listen to her talk. I think you appreciated the wine that much more while you're slipping along on this lovely boat through, beautiful Lake Lugano, looking at all these small little towns. I think it made for a total experience beyond what you'd get if you just visited Lugano. You're not just at Lake Lugano, you're on the lake in Lugano.
And adding that aspect to the chip, you talk about balance. That was just cleverly and intelligently incorporated and woven into the chip.
That was an extra special experience.